Pisces, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo dun. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Pisces, maraming salamat sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies o yung mga mensahe para sa'yo, Pisces. Okay. We have the social status. You will reach the heights of fame and society. Don't get arrogant. Okay, you will be popular. You will be famous. Pisces, something good will happen to you. But be grounded, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, maybe you have, or you are a vlogger, okay? And you will soon be popular or you will be famous pag-uusapan ka. Investments. Investments made will have positive results that will bring prosperity. Invest wisely, okay? Invest wisely. Pisces, be cautious of your money. Be wise. Exhausted. Feel financially drained, lacking viable options. Recharge and regroup. Okay, for some of you, you have to recharge. You are financially drained, okay? You are thinking of other options or ways for you to earn, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages from the tarot. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-iisip na mag-invest sa ibang mga businesses, okay? Or mag-put up ng business, negosyo. Okay. Take care of your money, Pisces. Let us see what are the other messages for Pisces. For some of you, will be offered an opportunity to grow financially, okay? Or improvement sa trabaho, sa inyong career, sa inyong finances, okay? You will be very happy, okay? Pero ikaw ay nagdadalawang isip, okay? Merong mga negative thoughts. Parang ayaw mong tanggapin, iniisip mo kung kaya mo ba or hindi. Okay? But this is something that will make you happy. So, siguro may mga kailan ka lang tingnan, okay? Before you proceed. Pero magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Use your own judgment. It will be communicated to you. Okay. For some of you, you will feel disappointed. Yeah. Bumabalik sa inyo ang inyong mga hindi magandang karanasan from your past experiences, okay? Kailangan mo pang pag-isipan ng mabuti. Shine bright, Pisces. You will be very happy. For some of you, you will be receiving an award. Okay, you will be recognized because of your hard work. You will be recognized dahil sa inyong galing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. My good news for you, but some people will not be happy of it. So, merong turning point sa buhay mo na mangyayari, Pisces. It will bring you success in life when it comes to money, when it comes to your career. It will bring contentment and joy in your family, okay? Yeah, merong pagbabago na mangyayari sa inyo, Pisces. And this is something to look forward to. Yeah. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo will be looking into some trips, okay? Magta-travel, okay? May mga tao na nakamasid sa inyo. Okay? Or kumukuha ng information about you. They want to know if you are living or not, Pisces, okay? Wealth. You will be receiving some communication, okay? They will be expressing their feelings for you. They want you, okay? You may be connecting with a person, a wise person, okay? An experienced person. You will be receiving a communication from them. And want to balance things out with you. This is something na pinag-iisipan mo. It's parang ayaw mong tingnan. But you can feel it already. Yeah. But this is something na tinitingnan mo pa or something that you are not interested with. Okay? For some of you, merong offer sa inyo pero hindi mo pinapansin, okay? But you know you have to make a decision, Pisces. Okay. Opportunities are coming to you. You are procrastinating, pinag-iisipan mo pa. Okay. You are in a situation na kailangan mo mag-decide. Okay. This will be communicated to you, Pisces. Good things will come to you. Okay? Yeah. And beware sa mga taong nakamasid sa inyo. Kumukuha ng mga information. Okay? Nag-i-spy. Some people are not happy because of the achievement and success that you will be receiving. Okay? So you have to be strong, Pisces. Yeah. For some of you, you are thinking about your family. Maybe a family from your hometown. If you are living abroad, you're thinking about them. Namimiss mo sila, okay? And meron kang desisyon na kailangan gawin. Pinag-iisipan mo na mag-travel ka, okay? Yeah. And nagre-research ka, kumukuha ka din ng mga information. About your travels. About the situation, okay? Tinitingnan mo kung ano yung kapakanan ng inyong family, financially, okay? Yeah. Do not procrastinate kung merong may mga job offers sa inyo, new opportunities for you to improve your life, your situation in your career, to improve your finances, okay? Do not procrastinate. Of course, kailan mo rin i-review kung ano yung mga advantages and disadvantages. But do not waste that opportunity, okay? Let us see kung ano pa yung mga messages for you, Pisces. We have hammock. Taking a vacation physically or mentally. You're thinking about a vacation. Siguro madami kayong ginagawa. Okay, you are exhausted mentally and physically. You deserve to take a break, to take a vacation. Kangaroo. Unsettled times. Need to plan ahead. Okay? You need to plan ahead. Plan for your future. Okay? You feel that you are not kung merong stability issues, you're not you feel that you are unsettled, you need to make a plan for the future. Man, dealings or relationship with a man. For some of you, you have issues, okay, or you have concerns about a man. Okay. Bird flying. News is on the way. Meron kayong balita na matatanggap. Information. News is on the way. Door. Opportunities are waiting for you. Okay. Fox. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Okay. So, meron mga opportunities sa'yo. Pisces, but you have to think about it, but do not procrastinate, and do not waste time, okay? Be wise, be smart. Alright, so that is the message for you, Pisces. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.